Hey guys, welcome back. In today's video, we will go through how to make us a ASMR video. So let's get straight into it. First things first, you need to be in one of the AI chat bot. So we are now right here in Google Gemini, and yeah, we will try to make ASMR video. What we need to do is basically the first thing is that we need a prompt. So let's try something like that. I will just copy it into here. A glowing chunk of gold being sliced with a heated gliding knife. Each cut creates a sharp, crisp, snapping sound. So now we can add, make a similar sound based from the prompt ASMR video and sound based from, and now we can send it and we will see what will happen. So now is generating a video, so it can take a while, 1 minute to 2 minutes. So now as you can see, it made a video, and now we can check how it looks. So it's really chunk of gold being sliced with a heated knife. It's not perfect, but yeah, and it's also not dedicated chatbot for making this, but behind is Veo, if you can see. So it's kind of good. So this is first step in ASMR videos. So I hope this video helped you out. If you did, and if it gave you an idea, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.